Hi, this is Taylor with Valleyscape Irrigation and Landscape Lighting in Marietta, California. Wanted to do a quick video today about the MP Rotator water conservative nozzle. So maybe you have these on your property. Great job, because they really do water very well. This is something that we always recommend for our clients, and occasionally they get out of adjustment. That's normal. So I want to show you today how you can adjust the MP Rotator yourself. It's important that you have the key, the MP Rotator adjustment tool. So on the very top, you'll see that there's a small screw. It's very small and it's hard to see, but you'll be able to feel your tool engage the screw. So if you need to reduce the distance that this product sprays, you would turn this and tighten it. So turn it clockwise, and you'll see as it's running, you have to have the system on. You'll see that the MP Rotator sprays a little bit shorter of a distance. It goes about 33% less than when it's fully open. So that's a way for you to fine-tune the distance that it sprays. Additionally, the product also is adjustable as far as the degree of spray. So if you need to really dial it into a 90-degree corner or a 180, this is how you do it. Again, with the system on, you would have this product on the top, the key, and you would adjust it and get it right where it needs to be. So it is okay to have to adjust them every so often, and if you ever need help with your MP Rotators, feel free to give us a call at 951-837-3209 or leave a comment or a question and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.